Yo, what's going on, YouTube? So today I'm actually taking my tires to go get mounted. I have them loaded up in the car right now. Right now we're headed to Subaru because my boy works there. So yeah, he's gonna be mounting our tires for us. I probably shouldn't be doing pulls. I have big ass tires in my back seat, but it is what it is, man. I gotta enjoy my car. Also, I wanted to thank you guys. We just hit 100 subscribers, and that's off no promo, no nothing. I post links on my car's Instagram, which has like 10 followers. Every time I drop a video, I'll make sure to link it over there just in case any of you guys are following it. If you're not following it, this is the @ for now. It'll probably change later on just because I don't know what to name it. So it is 4_ M340. I wanted to thank each and every one of you for subscribing, for liking the videos. It definitely keeps me motivated to continue to make content. Oh, that shit was bad. So yeah, guys, we got the last wheel right here.
The YouTuber?
I just started. I have like 100.
Damn, bro, I'm gonna start YouTube too, bro.
Bro?
Nah, where my mother?
But you're still gonna kill yourself.
I don't fuck.
Yo! These sounds of a fuck. Damn. Bro, these wheels are so disgusting. And all this curb rash you see, that was not from me. That is from the previous owner. Bro, I'm suing if this shit falls. And performance exhaust. This shit is dirty as fuck.
Hell yeah. Winter tires and then.
That's normal?
Yeah. That's just a watt tire coming down.
Sure. Holy fuck.
No, you're actually good.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Let me see.
Nah, I think you're good. Turn this way. You're good. That was a full turn.
So my boy Eric said when I turn full lock to the right, I am rubbing a little bit. So I'm definitely gonna need a spacer here. Everybody that was on Facebook talking about you don't need a spacer for super wheels, you actually do.
Yeah, just drive it like that. Different wheels.
Hell no. Let me see what this shit look like. Yo, this shit is so ugly. God, yo, look at it. Make sure to add the discount. Yo, and the lighting in here is insane. Nah, I got one. Thank you. Yeah, I'm so happy with the way it turned out. Shout out to my boy Eric. He works here at Subaru. That's his whip right there. Look how we going home though. This is the scary part. I got a wheel here. I got a wheel there. I got a wheel under that. And I got another one in the trunk. This is scary. And I try to protect my interior as much as I could, but we'll just clean it when we get home. But yeah, what do you guys think? Rate it. Rate it. Also, shout out to Auto Fanatic CT. He actually gave me the tire spec for these super tires. He actually has the same car. It is a 2023. Alright, Eric, I'm out. Appreciate you, bro. Oh my god, guys, this is so scary. Like, you don't understand. I try to keep my interior as clean as I can. So just seeing this in here is like giving me anxiety. Alright guys, so we got the super wheels on. This is what it looks like.